Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is another one brand makeup tutorial, and I'm very excited for this one because this is a one brand makeup tutorial using all Mars Cosmetics makeup products. I've been really blown away with the quality of the Mars Cosmetics products recently, so I really wanted to create this one brand makeup tutorial using all Mars Cosmetics products. So if you want to know how I created this super glam makeup look using all Mars Cosmetics makeup products, then please do continue watching. So you guys know how I roll, so I've already cleansed my face using the Dermavive Hydra cleanser, starting off with a nice clean skin, and then I'm going to apply my Neutriderm Vitamin E moisturizing lotion, which I love. So I'm just going to apply that all over the face and neck and just going to let it sink into my skin. And I love using this moisturizer underneath my makeup, preps my skin very well. My contact lens details will also be listed in the description box in case you're wondering. Now I'm going to start off with the makeup part. So I'm taking this Mars Cosmetics concealer, which looks like the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the exact same packaging and stuff. And this is sort of the darkest shade that I managed to find on the Amazon website, which is, as you can see, super white and pale. So yeah, this is what I had to work with for this look. So I've applied that as a base for my eyeshadow and blending it out. And in today's video, I'll be using these brushes. This is a brush set that I got from Amazon, which I missed in my Amazon haul video. Since this is a affordable sort of a video, I wanted to include these brushes, so I'm going to be using all brushes from that kit, and the link will be given in the description box for these brushes in case you're wondering. For eyeshadow, I'm taking the Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palette in the variant Smoke It Up. So I'm beginning with a very deep matte brown shade and building that up quite nicely on the crease as well as on the inner corners and outer corners of my eyes, since I'm going for that halo eye shape. Then I took this warm terracotta brown shade, which is also matte, to sort of soften up the edges of the deep brown on the crease and blowing it out towards the brow area. Now I'm going to deepen up my crease further by applying that matte black eyeshadow on the crease. So I'm just applying that and blending it out using a pencil brush. To cut the crease, I'm using the same concealer on a concealer brush and just applying that to the centers of the crease and just dragging it until my lash line. Then I'm picking up this sort of like this peachy golden shade, which really did not impress me as much as the mattes, because I had to go in with my ring finger to get the intensity to show through on my eyelids. So I was really not happy about the shimmer eyeshadows in this palette, but the colorful eyeshadow palette that I tried earlier from Mars was so good. So what I'm doing here is I'm just deepening up the inner corners and outer corners using the same matte brown eyeshadow as well as the matte black eyeshadow using the same pencil brush to create that halo eye shape. Now moving on to the face, I'm taking the Take a Glow Illuminating Primer in the shade Light Beam. The number is 02, so I'm just applying that all over the face and blending it out using my fingertips. This is a really good primer. I would say it adds a lot of glowy and sheen effect on the skin and primes your skin very well. Now I'm going to use this orange color corrector from the same concealer range that I used earlier on my eyelids, and I'm going to apply that to my hyperpigmentation, such as the pigmentation around my mouth, the dark circles, as well as my acne spots. This is a decent concealer. It's not too bad, not amazing as well, so it's right in between. So I'm just blending it out using a Mars Cosmetics Beauty Blender, which is, by the way, really good. Especially in this sort of a price point, it's very nice and easy to work with and very soft, so I really like it. Then for base makeup, I'm using a BB cream from Mars, which they kindly sent it out to me. I'm using the shade Rich, which is a bang on match for my complexion. As you can see, it is very hard to find a nice match for my complexion in products like this, especially from the affordable category, especially in BB creams as well. So I was quite surprised to see how beautiful of a deep color it is. So I used that all over the face, which added a lot of dewiness to the skin, which BB creams mostly do, and it is very long lasting as well. I had my makeup on for really long that day and it put up very well. Again, I used the same concealer to brighten my under eyes, which turned out to be super light, so I just applied only a tiny bit. Now to set everything in place, I'm using the Mars Cosmetics loose powder in a banana shade. This was also sent to me by the brand, so I'm just applying that to bake my face wherever I usually apply the powder to bake, as well as to set the rest of the face as well, using a very light layer of the powder on the Mars Cosmetics Beauty Blender. This is a very good powder, I must say. I really like it. Then I'm going to take the matte black eyeshadow again on an angled brush and applying that very nicely on the lower lash line to sort of create that deep smoky effect. Again, I'm going to pick up the chocolatey brown shade on a pencil brush to smoke out the edges of the black eyeshadow on the lower lash line. The mattes in this eyeshadow palette are amazing. They're very pigmented and easy to blend. For eyeliner, I'm taking this pen eyeliner from Mars. It is very black and pigmented. The packaging is really nice. The tip is really good, but the problem is it sort of dries up and becomes super rough and hard to work with. So I had to shake it up quite a bit to get the product out on the tip of the pen. So it was very hard for me to create this liner on this particular day. So yeah, that's what happened with the eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using their mascara, which is called their Fabulash mascara, which I absolutely loved. So I'm just applying that to my top and bottom eyelashes, and here you will see a difference how amazingly volumized and separated my lashes look. This pretty much compares to any other good high-end mascara. It is that good. I was really blown away by the quality of it. So yeah, make sure to buy it if you can. It's a very, very good product from Mars. Now for highlighter, I'm using this beautiful bronzy gold highlighter from Mars. I love this highlighter. So yeah, I'm just popping that to the tops of my cheekbones, to the tip of the nose, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, the regular areas that I like to highlight. It's a very, very potent highlight. It almost gives you this glass-like skin effect. So yeah, that's what I did. For lipstick, I'm using this lip crayon in the shade Girlpower, which is like this very nice brown lipstick. It's completely matte and very, very long lasting and transfer proof. I love this formula and I love the color as well on my complexion. So that is what I applied. And here is the final finished result. Using all Mars Cosmetics makeup products. Love the way this look turned out, and most of the products that I tried out from Mars turned out to be really, really good. This brand has been creating some amazing products at such an affordable price. I really suggest Mars Cosmetics products to everyone. I'm not being paid to say this, but I genuinely love their products. So yeah, this is the tutorial using all Mars Cosmetics makeup products. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!